Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to slow a clip down in DaVinci Resolve. So let's say you captured a pretty intense moment and you want to slow it down for a little dramatic effect. Well, the way you would want to do that is the simplest way is to just change the entire clip duration. So simply go to your clip, right click it. As you can see, I already have something in my timeline. Just right click it, then click on change clip speed. You should see an option right there. So you're going to be able to see an option here called speed. Let's say I want to make it uh, half as fast or twice as slow. Just going to type in 50%. So it's at zero point 0.5 speed. I'll click on change. And now if you watch the clip over, as you can see, the cars are moving much slower. Another way of changing the speed would be by opening up the real-time controls. Then here you're going to see a small arrow has appeared at the bottom of the clip. Go ahead and click that, click on change speed, and then there are a bunch of percentages here that you can quickly switch to. So there's also a more complicated way of doing it, and that's with keyframes and curves if you want to get into the weeds of speed ramping, but maybe I can save that for a future video. That's pretty much it though. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.